Flooding is the single most common and one of the most costly natural disasters that occurs in the United States today. But, like many other natural disasters, preparing for a flood before it strikes can help to keep your family safe, minimize damage to your property, and help you get back on your feet following an event.
Preparing for a flood is similar to preparing for other natural disasters. First, create a file for all critical documents, including insurance policies, finance records, and receipts of major purchases. In addition to these documents, each household should develop a written or video inventory of household items to be used for insurance purposes in the event that items are swept away during a flood. All of these documents should be placed in a secure location, such as a safety deposit box or a waterproof container. Next, develop a safety kit with drinking water, canned food, first aid supplies, blankets, a radio, and a flashlight. Also designate an out-of-state relative or friend to be your emergency family contact to be used in the event your family is separated.
Once flooding is observed, streets and areas normally prone to flooding should be avoided. Do not attempt to drive through flooded roadways. More than half of all flood-related deaths result from vehicles being swept away by floodwaters. Remember to turn around, don't drown. If floodwaters begin to threaten your home, turn off all utilities at the main power switch and close gas valves. You can still receive the latest storm information through battery-operated radios, such as NOAA Weather Radio. Radios such as these can be purchased at most retailers and should be a part of your flood safety kit.
Once floodwaters have receded, check on your home once authorities indicate it is safe to do so. Be sure to check for structural damage to your home before re-entering. If your home has suffered damage, call your insurance agent to file a claim. To assist in your claim, take photos of any floodwater in your home as well as any damaged property. Keep power and gas mains off until a professional has inspected them for safety. Finally, floodwaters can carry a wide array of diseases and biological agents, so be sure to wear gloves and boots while cleaning, and items touched by floodwaters should be treated with bleach prior to use.
As with all natural disasters, floods have the potential to disrupt lives and destroy property. But by taking precautions ahead of time, you and your family can be better prepared to face one of nature's most deadly disasters. For more information on flooding and what you can do to protect yourself and your property, visit the National Weather Service's flood safety page at nws.noaa.gov/floodsafety.